a nurse, it has been extremely challenging for us to work during this crisis situation. As you know, this is a new virus. However, we as nurses cannot expect to work from home considering the work culture. So, nursing involves face to face patient care, which cannot be done from a distance. So, that basically involves attending clients' medical need, physical need, psychological need, or emotional needs. However, we as a team have put a lot of measures in place to fight this virus. So, that basically involves identifying isolation beds, we have PPEs, we have hand sanitizers. Moreover, we have been educating all our clients on the virus and the prevention. So, we as a team have been following all the HSE guidelines to make sure that all our clients receive the best medical care while they are with Simon community. Moreover, a wonderful team has been organizing amazing initiative just to boost up the morale of our team. So that includes step challenge, plank challenge. So basically what they do is you have to use your own step counter app on your phone and keep a track of your steps for a period of 1 week, and the winner gets a prize. When you talk about a nurse's daily routine, it includes checking vitals of the client, administering medication, conducting certain procedures that cannot be done from a physical distance. This means that every nurse who works in the front line is a high risk category during the COVID-19. Most of the clients in our unit are immunocompromised. They may have various health conditions like HIV, Hep C, and even chaotic lifestyle, which makes it hard for them to comply with the medication protocol. This has a huge impact on their unsteady CD4 cell count, which makes them more vulnerable to infection. So, considering the fact that they have these underlying conditions, and if they contact this virus, that can prove to be fatal. So we have put a lot of measures in place to prevent the spread of infection. Our team has been hyper vigilant on hygiene, and all the high contact points have been disinfected twice daily. Our team has come up with a local policy in line with the HSE guideline that includes hand washing procedure, cough etiquette, and also social distancing. So this basically includes 2-meter marking on the floor just to make sure that both the staff and the clients maintain a safe distance while they are in the unit. And other measures include health education for the clients. The client have been educated on virus and prevention, and also PPE and hand sanitizers are made freely available. And another initiative is that we have been conducting a lot of quiz just to create awareness on the virus. As mentioned earlier, nursing involves face-to-face patient care, which cannot be done from a distance. Basically, what I'm trying to say is that working from home for a nurse is nearly impossible. For example, if a client needs CPR, you cannot do that when you're at home. Or if a client requests for medication, you cannot dispense medication when you're at home. So basically, nursing not only includes just giving medical care, but also psychological and holistic care. So we're closely following the HSE guidelines. Isolation room has been identified, and there's a system in place for the food delivery to the room, and there's a remote access for the client in isolation. And moreover, if a client is infected, then PPEs will be provided, and same will also be provided to the staff who will be taking care of the client. We are also working closely with the safety net, who have been conducting testing for the individual who are in homeless services. People who are rough sleeping are more vulnerable as they are repeatedly exposed to unsteady weather condition and poor nutrition, lack of access to hand washing, and also hand sanitizer, or maybe even improper use of hand sanitizer or PPE due to the drug addiction issues. And as I have told earlier, most of the clients who attend the services have got secondary health condition like liver disease, which make them a high risk category. So clients are quite anxious about this new virus. They are worried about attending hospital during the outbreak, and they are also fearful about sharing rooms with others in the accommodation, something that we are working with the DRHE to reduce. They also worry about their compromised health condition that could be dangerous in case they contracted the disease. Our team has been working on providing necessary medical care within a scope of practice, and also we make sure that we link with the client's GP on regular basis. Client also have easy access to the counseling services, and we make sure that we educate every client on the virus and prevention just to mitigate the fear and panic.